Good evening, everybody. I know it's a little dark in here, but I'm using a TV as a light. I don't have any lights in because I don't have a ceiling panel up yet to put lights in yet, but it's okay. I'm just a couple days in. I've been working, I've been building. I've got my bed turned sideways. I put a subwoofer box under it. I mean, cool stuff. My main thing is, holy crap, look at the freaking meal I made. My brother had his grill going, so I threw a couple chicken skewers on it, which are under that barbecued pork chop that he made. Oh man, grilled them veggies. Ooh, yeah. Anyway, I'm a fat guy. I love food, and oh my good lord. Anyway, I'm sure nobody will want to watch a video like this, but hey, van life. I live in a van. I eat good food. And to all the critics out there, just be quiet. Let us enjoy our lives. Happy trails, everybody. Till next time.